Hello and welcome to the next tutorial of WP Maps Pro. In this video, we will learn migrate Google Map one site to another site. Before diving into this topic, ensure you have installed the WP Maps Pro plugin and WP Maps migration add-in into your website in case you have not installed it yet. It is necessary to download and configure these plugins first. Let's start. Navigate to the WP Maps Pro and then click WP Maps Migration. First, learn how we export map to other website. From the Select Processes menu, select Export to Website. After that, click on the Download Backup button to download your all maps with all settings. It imports all the maps with their locations, routes, categories, additional fields, markers, location images. It's great that now we have a backup.txt file. We import this website map data using this .txt file on our new website. That's all. Next is how we will import from other website. From the Select Processes menu, select Import from other website. If you already created a map on the new website and wanted to overwrite complete old Google Map plugin data with new data, then please enable this checkbox. Otherwise, go to next step and upload backup.txt file. After that, click on the Import Backup button. Your data is imported, you can check. I hope you learned migrate Google Map one site to another site. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.